My name is George Putnam. I'm the CEO for Scandium International Mining Corp, and I have an exciting critical metals development story to tell you today. I'd like to start by telling you who we are and what we intend to accomplish. Scandium International Mining Corp is focused on developing mineral projects that produce metals as can be identified on the U.S. Commerce Department's 35 critical metals list. We have the capabilities to advance this strategy, recognizing it requires us to deliver on a number of natural resource development skill sets, from mining to product refining, finishing, and a sound understanding of the end-use markets. Our intent is to build and retain ownership positions in these projects without building new mines. The concept generally requires us to form partnerships with operating miners who have the metals feedstocks these projects need. The value proposition to those host partners offers shared access to revenues that go unrealized by them today. So let me explain how we intend to translate this strategy into investor value, as we've already established an all-important first partnership on this path. We signed a letter of intent with Nevada Gold Mines, NGM, in June of this year, and that defines a development program for the separation and harvesting of critical metals from their Phoenix gold copper mine in Nevada. NGM is a joint venture between Barrick Gold Corp and Newmont. We refer to the project as the Phoenix Critical Metals Recovery, CMR, project. This project is oriented to technology metals production. The primary product is high purity alumina, HPA. Other critical metals, including scandium, may be recoverable as secondary valuable products as well. The project is very light touch in terms of its environmental impact. This is true locally at the production site. It is also true globally with respect to customer product applications in numerous green products, which I'll tell you about in a moment. This project also generates ESG positive talking points for everybody, for Nevada Gold Mines, for Scandium International Mining Corp, and for our product customers as well. The CMR project concept starts from a sound conceptual basis, which is economic harvesting of valuable secondary metals already mined and captured in processing solutions. It's simply smart business for the mining business. Now, there needs to be a match between product opportunity and the ore body available and the available plant feedstock. With that match, the right mine solution feedstocks can then offer cost and quality advantages, particularly with high purity product standards. Metals removal offers advantages to miners as well, potentially improving their leaching performance and potentially lowering their long-term remediation obligations as well. HPA is an excellent candidate for manufacture with available Phoenix mine feedstocks. In fact, we believe that there is a wide group of investors who will very much like the idea of owning a critical metals production stream without having to own the mine. Some details on our agreed development program. The June agreement we signed with NGM defines a 15-month development program. The budget is established at $2.7 million US, shared 50-50 by the parties. The program is intended to confirm a flow sheet design. It constructs a pilot plant. It generates customer samples on the back end of it and refines the product cost estimates leading to a construction decision. That's what we intend to do with a development program. The June agreement also covers key elements of a commercial agreement. Again, 50-50 participation between the parties with Phoenix NGM as on-site operator. Flow sheet design will include both solvent extraction and ion exchange recovery techniques. And it also includes a novel closed loop acid recovery system as well. The company has filed a patent application on this flow sheet with the US Patent Office. So you need to know a little bit about high purity alumina as well, HPA. HPA has 3 significant applications that make up what today is about a $1 billion global market. The largest current market today is as a substrate for constructing the circuitry in an LED light bulb. HPA has commonly been used in the past as a scratch-resistant lens material as an alternative to glass. And most importantly, HPA has a current and growing use in ceramic coating for battery separators in many lithium-ion battery designs. Market dynamics are positive too, supporting new entrants into the market, particularly low-cost entrants. Growth forecasts in every area of consumption I just reviewed with you are positive. Battery market applications face significant HPA shortage potential through the current decade. North America makes very little HPA today, so a US-based producer offers additional attraction to North American-based battery manufacturers. So to recap this position for investors, for potential customers, and for other possible mining hosts, we've generated a fast-to-market project aimed for early operation in 2024. We intend to service battery markets with a truly exciting demand trajectory. Our technology is efficient, it's economic, and it's on path to patent protection. The ESG story on this idea is as positive as new and local critical metals production can get. It's mining related without new mines. Investors can anticipate good news flow in 2022 from the development program. And this business plan is repeatable for SCY. It represents smart business for miners. So some takeaways for the investor in particular: early production, domestic US source, a great partner, light touch environmental impact, serving growth markets, exciting protected technology. This is an ESG story. It's a battery revolution participant, repeatable for SCY globally. Thanks very much. Great to talk to you today.